My name is Greg Hill and I am the head coach for the girls bowling team, and I decided to coach the girls bowling team. There was an opening for the position, and so I had never done it before, and I've been bowling before and thought it would be a great time to get to know some of the girls and have a good time bowling, and so far this year it's been an absolute blast, so it was the right decision. My favorite part about coaching the girls bowling team is just getting to know the girls and their personalities and all that. All these girls have great, fun-loving personalities, and we joke around a lot, and they're just as sarcastic as I am, so we get along pretty good. So building those relationships has been a lot of fun, and yeah, that's been a blast.
Hi, so I'm Mariah Samora. I'm the captain of the girls bowling team.
Hi, my name is Daisy Dominguez.
Hi, I'm Shelby Ponder.
And the reason I chose to join bowling was mainly just to make new friends and try a different sport that would be actually really fun.
I decided to do bowling because it's super fun. This is my second year doing it. I love all the kids. This is like a family to me, and they're super nice.
I decided to join bowling because I am really outgoing and I wanted to try something new this year.
So the skills I've gained, I wasn't the greatest bowler in the beginning, honestly, but just knowing like how to aim for the pins and most likely getting strikes some of the time.
Skills I learned doing bowling are being able to focus more, concentrate on one thing, following through, and knocking all the pins down.
The skills I've learned since joining the bowling team is really being patient and really working as a team, because if you don't work as a team, you won't win the game.
What bowling has had on my life, it's a great opportunity to come out and make new friends. You definitely gain relationships because we also do have team dinners. But just having the time to just come out and learn how to bowl is actually really awesome, because then when you go out with your family, you actually can beat them sometimes if you're a competitive family.
Impacts the bowling team has had on me are knowing that there's other people there for you if you don't know them. Everybody is here to support you. We're all a big family. We all get along. We all support each other. If you don't do good, they'll be here no matter what, and yeah.
The impact bowling has had on my life is getting me involved with the community and with others around me that I had no idea even existed, and also bringing me and my family closer together.